Coronavirus research to get $500 million boost at Paris meeting. Palestine has expressed readiness for peace negotiation with Israel under international legitimacy. United Nations has welcomed breakthrough on election in Libya and said it is necessary for peacemaking process in region. The Organization of Islamic Cooperation has commended crowdly attacks that took place in a cemetery in Jeddah. In Myanmar, the main opposition party has refused to accept the election result after an early unofficial tally. Syrian official urges international community to facilitate return of refugees. 3 Daesh militants have been killed in airstrike by the US-led coalition at Karachok mountain in Iraq.